Terry. Hi, Terry. Hi. Please be nice. Doing. What you doing? What you doing? Terry, Terry. Terry, sit. Terry, sit. Sit. Good sit. Good sit. Very good sit. Okay, Kennel. Good Kennel. Good Kennel. Yeah. Come on, get back. Get back, Kennel. Get back in the kennel. Kennel. Go, 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 go. Good Kennel. Good Kennel. Very good girl. Very good girl. Very good girl. Just got a shower. She was a very good girl. I recommend this cutting knife. See? You cut it before the shampoo and washing and dry, and after that, and you're gonna cut it again. And so this is dead hair. Okay, this type of hair, she had a lot of hair, but I didn't shave her because she doesn't need it. Just cut it, and she lost maybe 5 pounds of the hair. So I don't think this kind. I don't think she needed ever to give her a haircut. You just start. You just keep cutting the hair. So if you don't have a cutting knife, you can do fulminator, of course. See, same thing. So if you do this, her skin will be good forever. Now she have a punk looking. Now she have a punk looking face. Curl, make a curl a little bit. You're cute. You're cutest shelter dog. Good girl. Yay, good girl. Yeah. Look at you. Look at you, so cute. Look at you, so cute. I think it's very easy to find a good home. Okay, you have to walk your tail. If you see the people, if you see nice people, walk your tail, okay?